Welcome to Factful Fridays. Here's a car service hack you may not know about. Maruti Suzuki's do-it-yourself job card. Explaining your car's issues at the service desk can be tiring, and sometimes you may forget to mention important details. What if all of it can be sorted before you even step in? Here's how it works. You get a personalized link from Maruti Suzuki before your appointment. Tap it and you're in. In your digital job card, you can choose your service type. Then enter your odometer reading, which basically means the total distance your car has traveled. This information is useful for determining your car's needs. Then you can enter any special demands. You can talk about a specific concern, an additional check you want us to perform, anything. This is your space. You can take your time in thinking of a response. You can also use the customer voice feature to speak in your voice. Once you hit submit, your inputs travel straight to our workshop team. So when you arrive, your service advisor already knows exactly what your car needs. That's it. Got a topic you'd like us to cover next? Drop it in the comments. Your idea might feature in our next Factful Fridays. Stay safe, stay informed.